Good morning, Pumpernickels. Today is Tuesday. Can hardly believe it, already Tuesday. And our announcements for today are keep your email on as normal. Community meeting at 9 o'clock, so please make sure that you're there. I do have not have any meetings, but the internet company is coming at 2, so I may be offline for a little bit then when hopefully we get better internet. Your assignments today are, I did forget something I was going to tell you. I'll tell you that in a second. So your assignments are today in reading. You're going to be doing some comprehension questions. You do not have to write full sentences because it's multiple choice, but you do have to have your books open and you have to be looking for those answers inside your books. Otherwise, you're not going to do a good score on that. In math, you're going to do a division review. So in division, remember, we turn it around into a multiplication problem to solve it. So 45 divided by 9 is actually 9 times what equals 45, and that's going to be your answer. If you don't know your multiplication facts, you are going to have to write them down. There's no short way to do that. Then in IXL, you're going to work on skill F, whatever level you are on, that's your multiplications. And while we're there, I've got a few people that have passed that. That's what I forgot to put on here. So congratulations. Some of these people I've already said, but congratulations. Cece, Keita, Xander, Keegan, Nathan, and Parker have all passed their 12s. All passed their 12s. Now we can't do our ice cream sundae, at least we don't know of it yet. So I'm trying to think of something else that we could do in trade for that would be fun for you guys that are actually accomplishing those goals. And then you're going to choose another skill on IXL and make sure that you know what it is so that when I ask you, you can tell me. Writing, you're working on your pandemic journal. It is in your Google Docs, but go to Schoology and reread the expectations so that you don't have to do it again. Remember, at least 4 or 5 sentences, capitalization, periods, good third grade sentence, good word choice, and making sure that you're making sense in your writing. Science, you're going to start on the goals page. You have to read that because there's a little article in there that you're going to need to look at that tells you the difference between structural and behavioral adaptations. Then you're going to watch a video, and then you're going to do just a little assignment on meerkats again. It's going to tell you something about the meerkats, and you're going to have to say, is that a structural adaptation or behavioral? So structural means anything in your body. So the way it looks, the way the animal looks, is its ears, its eyes, its claws, its fur, whatever that is the way it looks. Behavioral is something it does. Does it burrow in the ground? Does it hibernate? Does it hunt at night? Those would be behavioral adaptations. So make sure you're reading over that carefully. We are going to, no social studies this week again. Remember, we'll start next week. And then we are going to have progress reports come out sometime this week. Remember, it's a little different right now because there is no deadline on your assignments. I'm letting you turn them in as you go, and I'm emailing you. I'm even letting you retake them as late as you need to, at least until I have to turn in grades for the report card. So that progress report is not going to mean quite as much as it normally does, but it's good to see what you're still missing and what you still need to retake. So our joke today is, how do you talk to a giant? So how do you talk to a giant? Tell me. You use big words. Ha ha, giant, big words. All right, my friends, I can't wait to see you at 9 o'clock. Please sign in with us so we can say hello. Tomorrow we'll have a birthday, so you definitely want to sign in for that. And I will talk to you later. I miss you like crazy. Hope you're doing well and hope your families are doing well and hope you're enjoying Harry Potter. I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.